In the wake of the pandemic, working from home has become a new normal for millions of people. As a result, creating a comfortable and functional home office has become an essential requirement for many of us. A well-designed home office can enhance your productivity, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. In this article, we will share some practical tips on how to create a comfortable and functional home office. Choose the right location. The first step in creating a comfortable and functional home office is choosing the right location. Ideally, your home office should be in a quiet, well-lit area with ample natural light. Avoid setting up your workspace in a busy part of your home or near distractions like the television or gaming consoles. Make sure you have access to electrical outlets and a stable internet connection. Invest in comfortable furniture. Investing in comfortable furniture is critical when creating a comfortable and functional home office. A comfortable chair, for example, is essential as you will be sitting for long hours. Look for a chair that provides adequate lumbar support, adjustable height, and armrests. An ergonomic desk that fits your body's height and promotes good posture is also necessary. A footrest can also be helpful to reduce strain on your legs and feet. Get adequate lighting. A well-lit workspace can help reduce eye strain and fatigue, improve productivity, and enhance your mood. Aim for natural light if possible, as it is known to improve alertness and mood. If natural light is not available, invest in good quality desk lamps or overhead lighting that provides bright and even illumination. Consider using bulbs that mimic natural light to help reduce eye strain. Organize your space. A cluttered workspace can hinder productivity and increase stress levels. Keeping your workspace organized is crucial when creating a functional home office. Invest in storage solutions such as shelves, cabinets, or desk organizers to help keep your workspace tidy. A clutter-free environment can help you focus better and reduce stress levels. Incorporate plants. Incorporating plants in your home office can help improve air quality, reduce stress, and boost productivity. Studies have shown that having plants in your workspace can improve concentration, memory retention, and overall well-being. Choose plants that are low maintenance and can thrive in indoor environments, such as snake plants, spider plants, or peace lilies. Personalize your space. Personalizing your workspace can help make it more comfortable and inviting. Hang art or photographs that inspire you or add some personal touches such as a favorite mug or a small indoor fountain. Personalizing your workspace can help you feel more connected to your work and reduce stress levels. Invest in technology. Investing in technology can help enhance your productivity and make your workspace more functional. Consider investing in a good quality printer, scanner, or a dual monitor setup. Ensure your computer has sufficient storage and processing power to run your work-related applications smoothly. A reliable internet connection and a backup power supply can also be helpful in case of power outages or internet disruptions. In conclusion, creating a comfortable and functional home office requires a combination of practical solutions and personal touches. Choosing the right location, investing in comfortable furniture, getting adequate lighting, organizing your space, incorporating plants, personalizing your workspace, and investing in technology can all help create an ideal workspace. A well-designed home office can help you feel more productive, focused, and happy, and enhance your overall well-being.